Hi guys, guess what I got in the mail today? My May Birchbox. So I've already taken a peek inside and I'll show you what I got. If you're not familiar with Birchbox, it is a monthly subscription box where you get 5 deluxe cosmetic samples, and each box each month is a different color. So this month is kind of a springtime yellowy pattern. I reuse these boxes all the time. They're really sturdy. I like them a lot. So the first thing inside is a list of the items. And the TokyoMilk Dark Perfume is the first one. It's a little sample size perfume. And I sprayed some on my hand a minute ago, let it evaporate a little bit. It's an interesting smell. What's listed here is sweet orange, pressed petals, desert moss, and tea leaves. I call it a fairly unique smell. It's actually very nice. I like it. I think it's more of an evening smell than a daytime smell. Scent, I should say, rather than smell. Scent sounds better than smell. The next item in here is the Georgette Klinger Coconut Cleansing Milk. Purify your pores with this creamy cleanser made from hydrating coconut oil. And here it is. That I will definitely get some use out of. And that's a pretty nice sample size. It is half an ounce. We'll see how that works. Next item. This is actually pretty cool. It is a Stila liquid lipstick. I am not sure about this color on me. I have a feeling looking at it here, this is not a color that would work on me, so I don't think I'm going to swatch it because I will probably try to find somebody to give this to. But if you like pinky colors, slightly purpley colors, this is an awesome thing to get in the box. This is actually a really nice sample size. So I'm happy with that. I just wish it was a different color. What do we have left here? We have the LOC Love of Color Liquid Shimmer Eyeshadow. Oh yeah, this I'm really excited about. Comes with a little doe foot applicator. I've never used liquid eyeshadow on my eyes. I did swatch it before and it looks really, really pretty. Sorry, I'm working with a desk lamp next to me, so the glare is kind of weird, but I like this. I am really looking forward to using that. And the last item in here is the number 4 Jour d'automne. I'm sure I mispronounced that terribly. Sugar texturizing spray. Birchbox tends to send me an awful lot of texturizing sprays. I do use them, but I've got like about 4 of them sitting on my bathroom windowsill right now. So I think Birchbox, it's time to send me a different hair care product. It will get used though. I will get use out of it. So anyway, those are the items in my May Birchbox. And I will see you again soon. Bye-bye.